Greetings friends, and welcome to another installment of the Difficult Scriptures Finally Explained. Now we're going to explain Genesis chapter 4 and verse 15, which reads, "And the Lord said to him, Therefore whoever slays Cain, vengeance shall be taken on him sevenfold. And the Lord set a mark on Cain, lest any finding him should kill him." Now many have wondered about the mark God put on Cain. Some have wrong ideas that Cain's mark involved skin color. Now the Bible does not specifically say what this mark was. According to Strong's exhaustive concordance of the Bible, the Hebrew word oath may be rendered mark or signal, flag, monument, sign, or beacon. Strong's number is 0226. The word is oath, derived probably from 0225 in the sense of appearing. Young Analytical Concordance renders this word as sign. The critical and experimental commentary by Jamieson, Fawcett, and Brown shows that this word can be translated sign, token, or pledge. Now the typological word book of the Old Testament, page 41, gives the meaning of the Hebrew word oath as follows: sign, signal, a distinguishing mark, banner, remembrance, miraculous sign, omen, warning. Token and sign, standard, miracle, proof. In the authorized version of the Bible, this word appears 79 times, and it has been translated as follows: sign or signs 60 times, token and tokens 14 times, and sign and signs 2 times, miracles 2 times, mark 1 time. Now the Hebrew word oath could also indicate a boundary marker that God set up to separate or segregate Cain and his descendants from the rest of mankind. Genesis chapter 4 verse 12 and Genesis chapter 4 verse 16 shows that God banished Cain to the land of Nod, meaning land of wandering, east of the Garden of Eden. The oath, mark or sign that God made for Cain could also have been something to carry on his person, perhaps around his neck, from which the ancient and modern custom of wearing a charm or talisman or cross for protection may be derived. Cain's mark was not the changing of his skin from one color to another. Cain, in accordance to West African traditions, may well have been dark, but his sin was lack of character, not his skin color. So he might have well been dark, but his sin was lack of character, and thus his mark was either carried on his person or a sign set up to segregate him from others, or both.